Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of notifications. On the application of Truecaller, you will go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Truecaller and you will click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.